First of all, I would like to thank the members of your committee for inviting me to give a talk about the North Uist War Memorial. It was unveiled on the 29th of August 1923. On that day, people from all over North Uist and surrounding islands are converging on a little heather-clad knoll on which stands the memorial to the men of North Uist who gave their lives for king and country during the Great War. A Union Jack drapes the memorial. It was to be unveiled by Colonel Cameron of Loughill, who has made the long journey from his home in Achnacarry on the mainland. The little hill on which the memorial stands at Clachan North Uist is less than 100 yards above sea level, but from it, on a clear day, one can see the surrounding islands. Towards midday on the 29th of August 1923, a crowd gathers round the memorial. The majority of them have come from long distances, old men and women, and also many of the young, and also a lot of ex-servicemen wearing their war medals. The hour of the unveiling arrives, and the pipers take up their position beside the memorial. Loughill, the chief of the Camerons, arrives and is greeted by Sir Arthur Campbell-Ord, the Laird of North Uist. A short service in which the local clergy take part begins with praise, prayer and scripture reading. Then Sir Arthur Campbell-Ord, who was chairman of the organising committee, introduces Colonel Cameron of Loughill. As he speaks to the assembled audience, he tells them that 3 emotions should be present in their minds that day. The first, sorrow because of the loss of so many valuable lives. Secondly, pride that their men should have met so noble an end. Thirdly, resolution that their great example should be present always in the minds of all. The names of the fallen, which were around 150, are then read out, and the pipers of the Scouts and Camerons play the lament, the flowers of the forest, and later on, the last post. Then the crowds drift away from the impressive ceremony after some had placed simple wreaths on the memorial. The memorial itself is made of the granite of the hillside, and on top of it is a Celtic cross. I understand the memorial was built by 2 uncles of the late Alan MacLean Lochibord. At the base of the memorial, these words are written in English. They died that we might live. May we be worthy of their sacrifice. And in Gaelic, the words are written, Madi Nanam Gusun Shir. A day long to be remembered by all present. Sé gan chud mar I chéile an seo Amhiad cogadh, va na chai chawlas a cogadh buntin ritualach mahad. Va henas a cogadh, chaile brahad, chaile unele, dwein jolly. Va me kleidjen immer agen na nichensen. Agus, vui vek na nichensen oram, hukataram, noran sjo churi hele. Cha charaid ach nàmhaid cogadh. Charwa bayar riun nech diav. Hugas gris vimidach riak. Sgake kujele gun riun. Spien abuin imidach charaid. Wo chuj huga cartons luch gul. Jagari koi yimig perse. Suga parant o imidach past. Na chosker a varamartin cogadh. Vehikige mirtin jen hwol. Ha nuchen en keen lis an acres. Skuntur gemi kutju rovuan. Nach morne ha jees fjöga riak. Musk eslantig spoken en hwol. Lessig paars jen innebas. Het een cogadh. En hiermart goed zoals. Ga woonnacht on heel cogadh. Ha kut deun aan de neidjes richel. Goede kraag, tjekige neidjes. Ga nakige aard ik een reid. Nach imme gaskech trainiges kalame. Ga je lukkel een cogadh gulaar. Oigri va tapis gaskell. Jan skris ik een nàmhaid salaar. Nach een sul geledewig sonne. En ik gekreoget gach cogadh strie. Sgeneesje met die prieren at slanier. Spianet och tjenu na shi. This is a short poem in English I composed many years ago, regarding the gallant ones who fell in battle on Europe's battlefields and other war zones too. They have fought their bitter battles in the air and on the high seas. They engaged the enemy. Never in any conflict did they count their own lives too dear to make for us the supreme sacrifice. On countless memorials and in many hearts their names will be remembered, because to them we owe a debt. We live in peace, but their lives were lost. We will remember them.
Great. That's wonderful. Thank you.
So